end of October in Southern Ontario. And as you can tell, it is freezing already. We're sitting here in our winter coats, and we are continuing our build of the roof today. So last week we were here and we started, and it's definitely been a process, but we were loving the results so far. I think it's worth it. So today we're going to continue the mission and just keep going until we run out, because we didn't buy enough ceiling yet.
No. And hopefully next week we'll have our diesel heater.
Yes.
So we will
that's
be
on
warmer.
its way. And that will help. So next week will probably be just installing the heater, continuing anything on the ceiling.
Yeah. Doing the ceiling with the insulation.
Yes.
So it should be definitely warmer.
Yeah, because we definitely live in Ontario, so we will have time. We will be here in Ontario as well during the colder months, so we want to make sure we're warm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the next phase will probably be the bathroom. We got a bathroom pan behind us.
Mm-hmm.
Right there, so then we'll be deciding what kind of cupboards we'll be doing in the front of the bus.
Yes.
But that's still a few weeks away, though.
Yeah, we only get out here once a week for like 5-6 hours a week, so it's taking time, but it's been progressing well considering.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. So we just completed the roof up to the point so we can finish the bathroom. We got our shower pan here that we're going to install so we can frame out the bathroom. That's going to be right behind the seat. Hopefully it's not too big, because we've been worrying about that. Then we're thinking of building a bulkhead here. Then cover up, just to cover up the wiring, because we want to run all our solar over here with the rest of the power. And yeah, so we're not too sure on how to put all this in here, but we're gonna find out. It should be interesting. But I think we did all right on the ceiling. And the back part of the ceiling is not done, because we're going to be framing out the AC unit to make it a little prettier, because Jen wants it pretty. But yeah, and we're still not sure on this. If we should frame this out, or if there's skylights you can get that are that size, or in a fan. We're not sure yet, so we're going to leave it as the emergency exit for now, because we do want to put a deck on the roof of the bus. So, yeah. So let's get opening up this, laying it down on the floor, find out how big it is. Of course, I get crappy scissors, but it's okay. We got a box knife, even though it says no box knife. Holy crap. That's why those snips didn't do it. Crap, they taped it all the way around. Home Depot in their great packaging.
Was this Home Depot or was this Lowe's?
Home Depot. We're the only ones that had this size. Yeah, this one is 48 by 32. on the bottom. We don't need those, do we? No instructions needed. That's the hidden drain cover. Moment of truth. So it's blue. So I think you got to paint it. I didn't realize that.
It says it's white acrylic.
Oh, you know what? Sorry.
It's got protection.
Yeah. That's right.
Ooh.
All right.
Careful, some of it is exposed.
Mm-hmm. Well, let's lay it down. Put this box in. So the drain has to go this way because the AC unit is under the bus. Maybe like that. Right there. There you go. That's actually not too bad. Okay, the end of our day. We got the bathroom framed in. We don't have the drain in yet. But it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't take up a lot of space. But it's looking good. Yeah. The bus has slowly come together. Yeah. Now, to be continued.